All right. Does this Aldi red bag chicken actually taste like Chick-Fil-A? Let's find out. All right, we're going to cook them for 15 minutes at 385 in the air fryer. After that 15, we're going to flip them and go another 15 minutes. Now we're going to lay down that soft brioche. Pickles on the bottom, just like the classic Chick-fil-A sandwich. Now we're going to put down the meat. Looks good. Let's see. Yeah, and they said it's smacking. Let's see. They might be on to something. They might be on to something. Yeah, go get you some.